Everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Marketplace Seller-wise Payment. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how the store owner can restrict specific payment gateways for particular sellers. In the default PrestaShop, the store owner cannot restrict payment gateways for the sellers. They can only disable a particular payment gateway for the entire store. With this extension, the store owner can assign certain payment gateways to specific sellers and effectively manage payments on the store. Now let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin back office. After the installation of PrestaShop Marketplace Seller-wise Payment module, a new tab Seller-wise Payment gets added under Marketplace, from where admin can assign payment methods to the seller. Click here to add payment method for sellers. Under this tab, admin can select the sellers to whom he wants to assign the payment methods. And from this field, admin can select the payment methods that will be available for the selected seller products. Now, after selecting the seller and payment methods, click here to save. After adding payment methods for the sellers, admin can view a list of sellers and payment methods assigned to them. Admin can unselect the assigned payment methods to the seller and assign him another payment method by clicking on the edit button. Under edit payment methods tab, admin can unselect the already assigned payment method and assign him another payment method. Now click here to save. Now let's have a look at the seller's end. A new tab, Assign Payment Methods, is added to the seller's account, from where the seller can view the payment methods assigned to him by admin. During checkout, only the payment methods which have been assigned by the store owner to the seller will be available to the customers for placing an order for the seller products.